Once upon a time, high up in the sky, little Twinkle was happily shining bright. But suddenly, Twinkle hiccuped, and a shooting star shot out. The shooting star hit a sleeping bear. The bear jumped up and roared, "Who woke?" The moon had an idea. He tickled Twinkle so hard, she laughed and laughed until the hiccups stopped forever. And that's the end of today's Twinkle Tales. Did you enjoy the story? Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun adventures with Twinkle every single day. See you tomorrow.